In front of me is VIVO V50 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Vivo. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called DevCheck device and system info from Flare to developer. This one. When your app is ready, launch it. And thanks to it, learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!